Hi Brainbox. Welcome to Brainbox YouTube channel. Do you want to know more about conjunctions? We will be discussing that in this video. Before we continue, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to keep you posted about other review topics. You can also avail of our CSE books and other reviewers. Just click the link to our shop in the caption below. Conjunctions join words and elements in a sentence. There are three types of conjunctions. First, coordinating conjunctions. It joins elements of equal rank or function in a sentence and connects two clauses in a compound sentence. Example: and, but, yet, or, nor, for, so. My kittens love to play but easily get tired. These are some examples of coordinating conjunctions. Notice that the italicized word connects the two clauses found in the sentence. Second, correlative conjunctions. They are coordinating conjunctions paired with other words that extend the meaning of the first. Example: both, and, either, or, neither, nor, not only, but also. I will either spend time with my friends or just stay home and watch television. These are just some of the examples of a correlative conjunction. The word or extends the meaning for the coordinating conjunction, which is the word either. Lastly, subordinating conjunctions. It joins grammatically unequal elements, a subordinate clause to a main clause. Examples: while, whenever, since, in order, unless, as though. My parents believe that I should be a lawyer. These are just some of the examples of a subordinate conjunction. You can notice that the italicized word connects the subordinate clause, my parents believe, to the main clause, I should be a lawyer. All right. To test whether you understood the topic, let us answer the following exercise. Identify the type of conjunction used in the sentence. For number 1, I like to go on beach trips and collect rocks while I am there. Identify the type of conjunction used in the sentence. Letter A, coordinating conjunction. Letter B, correlative conjunction. Letter C, subordinating conjunction. Time is up. The italicized word here is an example of a coordinating conjunction. For number 2, he is both a brother and a best friend to me. Identify the type of conjunction used in the sentence. Letter A, subordinating conjunction. Letter B, coordinating conjunction. Letter C, correlative conjunction. Time is up. The italicized words in the sentence is an example of a correlative conjunction. For number 3, I usually don't like going to malls unless it is with my friends. Identify the type of conjunction used in the sentence. Letter A, coordinating conjunction. Letter B, correlative conjunction. Letter C, subordinating conjunction. Time is up. The italicized word in here is an example of a subordinating conjunction. That's all for today. Share this video for others to learn too. If you want to learn more, you can avail of our CSE books and other reviewers. Just click the link to our shop in the caption below. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.